In this video, I'm going to show you how to add indicators on MotiveWave. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your chart here, and then at the very top, you can see there's this button, which are the indicators. So you want to click on the button over here, and then you can see kind of your favorites and recently used, or you could just go ahead and, of course, search for whatever indicator you are looking for. You could also go and display a specific one over here, or click on over here and basically filter even more. So I'm just going to go and type in Bollinger over here, and there we go. We have the Bollinger Bands, for example. I'm just going to click on them, and of course here you can customize everything. You have general, advanced, signals, options, and toolbar. You can change whatever you want here, like colors, numbers, inputs, etc., and then click on the add button at the bottom, and the indicator is going to get added onto your chart just like this. If you want to remove it, you simply want to click on the indicator and click on this trash can button over here, and it's going to get removed. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.